Hello, I'm Janet Chin, founder and president of the M. Janet Chin Youth Foundation, a 501c3 nonprofit youth agency. And I'm speaking to you from Rosemead, California, with a message about our fundraiser for our fall after-school programs. As a school board member, I see firsthand the financial hurdles that our schools face to provide a quality education. As the prices of food, gas, and housing escalate, it is easy to lose focus on the education of our youth. After-school programs keep kids safe, help working families, and inspire learning. In the U.S. today, 14.3 million children are home alone after school. While after-school programs serve a variety of communities, from rural to urban, we all have one thing in common: the need for sustainable funding. Programs that are successful at raising money share another common characteristic. They all reach out and ask for support. And that is what I'm doing now, asking you to help fund our fall after-school programs. Your tax-deductible donation of $25 or more will help us fund our no-cost after-school programs in youth leadership, science, visual and performing arts, and a variety of service learning projects. So please, donate today. You can click on the donate button below and make a secure online donation right now, or send your check to M. Janet Chin Youth Foundation at 3158 North Gladys Avenue, Rosemead, California, 91770. Thank you for supporting our youth.